Need to replace the power cord on your Traeger Pro Series 34? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. A nicked or broken cord is the cheapest reason a grill plays dead. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 25 minutes, and the only tool is a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open up the hopper. But first, unplug the cord at the wall, dry your hands, and let everything cool. Then, we can work. The service panel comes off with a handful of screws. Inside the bay, start where the cord enters the cabinet, the strain relief. From there, the cord lands at a connector, and the green ground wire rides its own screw on bare metal. Those are your 3 stops. Take a photo before anything moves. Step 2. Free the old cord. Start at the connector and pull it apart. Then back the ground ring off its screw, release the strain relief where the cord enters the cabinet, and draw the old cord out. Step 3. Route the new cord. Feed it through the inlet along the same path, and seat the strain relief so the jacket, not the wires, takes any pull. Then plug the connector together and land the ground ring back on its screw, snug. That green wire is the one doing the protecting. It goes on metal, not on a guess. Step 4. Button it back up, panel on, screws in, and route the cord away from the legs and anything hot. Remember the manual's rule. This grill plugs into a GFCI protected outlet, and any extension cord is outdoor rated, 14 gauge, grounded. Now let's make sure it's working. Plug into the GFCI outlet and flip the power switch. The display wakes up, and nothing trips. Give the cord a gentle tug at the cabinet. The strain relief holds it fast, and run a dial to smoke start to confirm fan, auger, and igniter all wake with it. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.